How can connected devices be made useful? Management of environmental services are undergoing great changes, notably with the disruptive arrival of connected devices in cities and industries in the form of smart sensors and meters for water, electricity and gas. According to the IDC, a firm specializing in technology and information, the number of such objects could hit 30 billion by 2020. These objects measure a lot of useful data for energy management, such as the temperature and the consumption level of water, electricity, oil and gas, as well as the level of waste in public bins. In this way, a large number of people can remotely access the information. However, these devices generate vast amounts of heterogeneous data, whose nature and format vary. Furthermore, the data is collected through different telecommunication networks. So the data is difficult to use as it is and requires decoding and computer processing. Why process this data? Not all data carries the same weight in importance. Some is essential for users and professionals because it facilitates the prediction of an event, for example, knowing when to reload oil tanks, the understanding and control of water and energy consumption, so users can be aware of their habits and lifestyle, and the detection of the causes of waste, for example, water leaks. By combining and cross-referencing certain data, a greater level of understanding can be grasped. For example, measuring the temperature around a water meter can identify a risk of frost, and so incentivize users to react appropriately. How to process this data and make it accessible? Every connected device should first be categorized, that is, identify the data measured and understand how the object transmits the data to the information system. Next, this data needs to be interpreted and the most relevant chosen for the user. Finally, the information has to be sorted into subject streams for ease of access. For example, data on water temperature is organized under water management, while data on electricity consumption is placed under building energy management. The data is accessible to users through a customer portal that can be configured according to the level of required detail. The information can be summarized for individuals or expanded using multiple data streams, hypervisors, for professionals. The user can thus control their environment more effectively and adapt their behavior accordingly. This is known as cognitive informatics, thereby making the information useful.